Oh, traffic na naman. Saan tayo pupwesto? Dito na lang. Okay. Nasikip dyan. Kasya ba? Kasya ba? Kasya ba? Kasya, kasya. Huwag kasi kayo dyan magbaba.
I was gonna go to class before I got high. Come on, check it out. I could have cheated and I could have passed, but I got high. I'm taking it next semester, and I know why.
Anak ng bugil. Grabe naman usok. Tatatat si Kuya, oh. Nasa ano na, oh. Nasa pedestrian lane na. Oo, gustong-gusto na, oh. Pasok na. Tandaan lang, Benki. Ito tayo expert. Baka mag-overshoot na naman tayo. Tulad dati, nag-overshoot ako doon sa malapit sa Lancaster. Okay, saan tayo po pwesto? Dito na lang. Oh, Primera.
A few minutes later.
Ayan! Kanina ka pa kasi harurat ang harurat. Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
It's a Jet2 holiday. And now...